Temu Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to open a Temu order that I ordered. I've ordered from them before and everybody's asking me a lot of questions about the ordering process and things like that. Now I have to tell you, everything I've ordered has been really nice quality for the price. And I ordered this July 14th and it came July 25th. So about 10 days, 11 days. Not bad. Okay, now my first order that I did before, I ordered a lot of like household stuff and I really liked it. This time I have more baby stuff because we have a bunch of baby showers coming up in the next couple of months and we're going to be making a bunch of the diaper cakes, and the stuff that we want to put on the diaper cake, price-wise, through Temu is 10 times cheaper than what you're going to get in the stores, and the quality is just as good. I promise you, it is really nice quality stuff. If there's something you don't like, you just call them and they'll help you send it back, okay? So I have not had anything I didn't like. There's a few things in here I ordered for other people I think you'll find you might be interested in. So let's get started. So like I said, a lot of this is going to be baby stuff. So I ordered a teether, and all this is going to go on the cake, so I needed a lot of things to fill the cake. These are little bands that you put on the baby's wrist, and they're rattles, okay? Also got a brush for the bottles. This is a bottle where you can put like cereal in it to start the baby on solids and things like that, so you can try that. This also is good for medicine. If you can't get the medicine dropper in, maybe put it on a spoon and give it to them that way. These are bottle and pacifier holders that go on the stroller, so you put the bottle here and you put this on the end of the stroller and it keeps the bottle from falling on the ground, which is great if you're out and about and you don't want the bottle falling, or the pacifier. So it's good for both. And I'm just going to put these back in the bag because I want to make sure I keep everything together, because I'm not sure exactly what cake I'm using on what. So this is also a rattle, and this goes on either the car seat or like a swing or bassinet on the handle, and it hangs down and the baby can see it. These are some more teethers. Now, this is great if you're going to do the cake, and we will have a how-to on the cake when I make the next one. But the baby shower that we're going to, the baby's first name starts with a G. I'm not going to say the name. And so I got these really cute pacifiers. I'm going to open this one because I'm actually going to put it on the cake without the bag. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I ordered these for my niece when she had her baby a couple months ago, and she said they're fantastic. So what I did was, a lot of times people don't want to tell you the name of the baby. So don't get offended. Just ask, what is the first letter of the baby's name? Don't tell me the name, and that way you can order specific things for the baby. So what this is it's a pacifier with the baby's first initial on it. It's got like fake diamonds around the outside. It's gorgeous. Then it has this, goes onto the onto the actual handle of the pacifier. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. And then this, with the letter of the baby's name with diamonds on it, this gets hooked to them, so the pacifier never drops. Great, I loved it. Comb and brush. Instant read thermometer for the forehead. Another rattle. More of the hand rattles. This is, it's a blanket. The kids hold them like if they want to carry around a blanket or whatever for security. This is a little stuffed animal with the blanket attached to it, so that would be good for them. Oh, these are, you put these on your fingernails. I'll show you. You put this on your fingernail like so, and you paint your fingernail and it stops it from getting nail polish on the outsides of your nails. So I figured I'd try those. Bibs, I think this is a 4 or 6 pack of baby bibs. They're all cotton. These go on the baby's feet. They're rattles for the feet. Now, you'll notice I have a lot of little things, a book, but you need littler things for the cake. You don't want like humongous things. The only thing that I got like full size was the shampoo and the soaps and the lotions because I couldn't find them in little containers. I got these beautiful different colored stick pins, and this is what we hold the diaper cake together with. Here's another of the initial pacifier. This one's black with gold. It's beautiful. And we know that they're having a boy, so I bought all boy stuff. This is very cool. This has a bunch of different pieces to it, and this is a chewer. And then here's another one of the bottles with the spoon on it. So you can have one for medicines and one for eating. And then here is, this is really cute. You can put fruit in this, and when you want to start your kids on eating like fruits and vegetables and things like that, but you're afraid they're going to choke, you put it inside here, and then they suck on it. Hold on a second, I got too much in my hands. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're just going to put everything inside here, and this is really soft. It's got holes, and they can suck like strawberries and things through that without choking. So it's really nice to have, especially if you're introducing foods, new foods and things like that, okay? And then this is just a holder for the pacifiers. And this came with a bunch of different nipples, so you can change them out. Okay. Now, the cake that I'm making, I'm only doing 2 layers instead of 3. So I needed 4 of these, and I bought two different ones. These are receiving blankets, and they were about the same price as the ones that I bought at Walmart. So either or, if you want to just go to Walmart and get them, I think they were pretty close together. So then I ordered 3 of these because I'm giving them away as gifts because I have one and everybody loves it. It's called the neck fan, and I'm telling you guys, these are a lifesaver when you're working outside.
Personal air conditioner.
When you're working outside or anything, it has a bunch of different speeds. I think 6 speeds. It's rechargeable with your phone charger, and it has all kinds of different things that you can do with this. So if you're interested, go ahead and order these. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed, especially if you're a delivery person or you work outdoors in this hot heat. It immediately cools your head and face off, and that's what you need to get cooled again. So I got 3 of these. Like I said, I bought them as gifts because everybody wanted the one I had. And then I bought these scratch clean cloths. I have a few scratches on my car, like it looks like somebody did a cart against my car or whatever, so I thought I'd try these pads to get the scratch out. I'll let you know how it works. I got Jack. Jack loves really cool sayings and things on shirts, so I got him this.
Uh-oh.
And it says, "Let me pour you a tall glass and get over it. Oh, and here's a straw so you can suck it up." So I thought Jack would like that. These are just cuticle pushers. Baby washcloths. They're 100% cotton. I think this might be another shirt. Let me see. I don't know.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't give up.
I don't give up. Jackie likes that too. Okay, and then my last thing is a wreath. Now, everyone had been raving about these wreaths, and I wanted something to put on my front door. And I thought if I can zhuzh this up a little bit, let me get rid of my mess. I think if I kind of just zhuzh this up, I think I can get it like kind of.
Just needs fluffed up.
Yeah, it just needs fluffed up, but I think it's going to look really, really cute on the front door.
I mean, it had everything stacked in on top of it, so it'll.
I mean, with the way the heat's been here in Ohio, we can't keep our flowers pretty right now. So I thought this would be perfect just to add a little color to my front door.
Our flowers are pretty dead, you know.
These look nice. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. I don't know how much I spent. It's like 200 and something for all of this stuff, so you can't beat it. So if you have any questions about Temu, please reach out to us or reach out to Temu and literally go through their whole website. It's huge. But if you're looking for something specific, they probably have it for half or a quarter of the cost of where you would get it anywhere else. And like I said, the products, everything I've gotten so far have been 100% perfect. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.